Hello friends, Sheila here with Homeworker Models and Tri-Lite Builders, back at our job site again today. Coffee and Construction in Tempe, episode 9. We are almost ready for drywall. It's so exciting. I can't wait to show you all the fantastic progress that's been made on this job. So we are going to do a little walkabout today. You can see over here on the left, we have our new fireplace area and wet bar area. Over here on the right, that's where our kitchen is. We've taken out all these hanging soffits. The space looks so much more open. Just fantastic. You can see here we've taken out this soffit along the back wall of the house so that we open up the ceiling and it looks so much taller. Isn't that fantastic? Oh, here's the other side of our fireplace too, friends. We're gonna have not a see-through fireplace, but electric units on both sides, and it's just going to be fabulous. We have had the insulation installed. Framers got this wall framed out where it needed to be, and then the insulation inspection happened this morning, and we passed. Way to go, Kenny. Here we are in the master bedroom and bath. We've got this wall open so that they could do the insulation and plumbing work. We had to repipe the plumbing in this house. They had some slab leaks, so all the plumbing went in the ceiling. Added some extras for the drywall, of course, but here we have that ceiling. It's gonna be so cool that it's vaulted like this. Our master closet, I can't even believe the ceiling height, how much space it adds to this closet space. Like the ceiling was right on top of us when we walked in it before, and now we've got all this extra space up here. All the new insulation up in there. We've got a vent in here. There'll be a light. This wall will be framed in, so there's going to be more storage up on these upper shelves, but this closet's going to feel bigger just by expanding its ceiling height. Here we have our shower. It's gonna look so nice in here, but you can see we've made great progress on getting everything insulated, getting ready for drywall. Soon, we won't be able to see through the front of the house anymore, and that'll be all closed in, but we've got such great progress in here. Oh, friends, it's such great progress out here for Coffee and Construction in Tempe, episode 9. Take great care of yourself. You're the best you've got.